In this video, we are going to be answering the BECE or Junior-wide Basic Technology Practical. From drawing our lines to carving our arcs, this is BrainBoost and this is Basic Technology Practical. To draw your borderline and title block, which is the first thing you do in your Basic Technology Practical, you start by drawing your borderline. And you're going to give a 10 millimeter or 1 centimeter gap around your paper. To draw the title block, you draw it at the bottom right of the sheet. It should measure 10 centimeter in width and 5 centimeter in height. Then you divide it into smaller sections, into your name, your school, your exam number, your scale, and your date. And I advise that for your scale, you should just put 1:10 millimeters. And then you can go ahead and fill the rest, and then we can start the practical.
If you've watched this video to this extent, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It's free. Thanks.
So now let's answer the B part. And there are two questions, and the first one says, draw line AB equals to 120 mm and construct an angle of 30 degrees at point A. This simply means we should construct an angle of 30 degrees. So let's do that. To do that, we first bring out our ruler and then draw our line of 120 millimeters or 12 centimeters. In this case, I'm using a cm ruler. And now we bring out our compass. This is our point A and this is our point B. So we construct angle 60 before constructing angle 30 by bisecting angle 60. So this is our angle 60. Without shaking our compass, we also bisect out our angle 30. And then now we rule our line. And now we've constructed an angle of 30 degrees, and we can check it with our protractor. As you can see, it's on 30. And that is it for number 1. So let's check number 2. Number 2 of part B says, draw an equilateral triangle ABC of sides 60 mm. At C, draw line CD perpendicular to AB and measure the length CD. So, an equilateral triangle is a triangle where all sides are equal. So they are trying to say we should make all sides to be equal to 60 millimeters and measure CD, which is perpendicular to AB, and write down our measurements. So let's do that. The first thing we do is bring out our ruler and we draw our line of 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters as they told us. So this is our 6 centimeters or 60 millimeters, and we bring out our compass and place it on our point A, while here is point B, and then we stretch from point A all the way to point B, lock our compass and arc at point A and at point B respectively. Then now we connect all our points, and now we have an equilateral triangle. And as they said, this is our point C, and they said we should measure point C to D, and they said D is perpendicular to A, so we'll measure here to here. So let's do that. And now as we measured it, we can see CD is equal to 52 mm. So CD is equal to 52 mm. And that is it for this video. So